As requested by some of us, today I share my Sovereign special chicken pie with us. Hello everyone, welcome back to another interesting video, so let's begin. I start by sifting up pepper's flour in a bowl. Always sift the flour before making use of it, alright? To the flour, I will also sift in 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, alright? I will not be using baking powder for this recipe. You can as well add baking powder if you wish, no harm. I added salt. Mix to combine very well. Once that is done, I'll be moving in with 250 grams of cold margarine. You can also use cold butter, alright? Mix to combine very well till I form a moldable texture. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. Alright, just like I mentioned earlier, till I form a moldable texture as you can see on the video. Alright, now I'm moving with cold water. Alright, you can as well use water from your tap, it's okay. Now you are going to gently mix. We are not really mixing nor kneading. We are going to be bringing the dough together. Please don't be too hard on the dough, all right? Once it comes together, you should have something like this, a breakable dough or a crust dough. All right, put it together. Now I'm going to divide into 2 equal parts, okay? Once that is done, I'm going to wrap with a film. Even if you don't have a film, you can use any plastic, any neat plastic bag in your kitchen. Wrap it up, drop in your refrigerator to chill with the big boys for about 10 minutes. While the dough is chilling, let's make the filling. First, we start by mixing our slurry. Slurry simply means cornstarch dissolved in water. That is exactly what I just did, all right? Now, in a preheated pan, drizzle some oil. I move in with my veggies. I started with onion, shredded carrot, and some sweet corn, all right? Give that a quick mix, then moving with chopped potatoes. You can use Irish or sweet potatoes, all right? Season with salt, curry masala, chili pepper, mix to combine very well. Again, once that is done, I move in with shredded seasoned chickens. Once I add the chickens, I move in with the stock. The stock comes from the chicken, all right? Mix to combine very well. If the stock is not enough, you can add extra water, making sure that the water is on the same level with the sauce. I bring that to a boil for about 1 minute. 1 minute later, move in with the slurry. Cover and allow to thicken. Once it thickens, you should have something like this. I finish up with some spring onion and fresh chopped tomatoes. Please use your choice of vegetables. Stir to combine very well. The more the sauce cools down, the thicker it becomes. I don't want my sauce to be too thick, all right? Look at that. Take it off the heat, put in a bowl and allow to cool down completely. Emphasis on completely. Now back to the dough. It has chilled with the big boys. Dust the work surface with some flour, place the dough, moving with a rolling pin, start rolling to flatten the dough. Beautiful shout out to you, Belinda, watching from Sierra Leone, Nena from Abia State, Pamela from Ghana, Anis watching from Bangladesh, and Nikita all the way from Zambia. Whoops! Aww, I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well, okay? Alright, I continue to roll till I come to a flat dough just like this one. About 2 or 3 cm thickness is okay. Now you can go ahead and cut just the way it is, but I'm going to make a design using a fork. This is not a must, alright? You know your girl, I always get it twisted. All right, after making the design, I shaped the four corners of the dough. Now I am going to flip it over. The designed part will be facing downward, all right? Just keep watching, you will understand what I'm doing. Okay, now I'm going to divide into 4 equal parts. The size of your pie depends on you. Now I pick up one, moving with the sovereign feeling. Just look at that feeling. Cover first, I seal with the tip of my finger, then finally seal with a fork. It is very important to seal properly, please. If you are with me at this moment, type seal properly. And look what we have. It is looking so cute. Repeat the same process with the other ones. Arrange in a baking pan. Are we done yet? No. Beat up 1 egg. You are going to brush with it. This is going to give the pie a beautiful shining at the end of the baking. Are we done yet? No. After brushing with an egg, it is time to poke with a fork. This is going to help to incorporate air while baking in the oven. Once that is done, it is time to bake. You can also air fry if you wish. I bake in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes, and there you have it. Oh my word, it is ready. I transfer in another pan, allow to cool down completely. Do you love what you are seeing? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. I love it. It came out so well. Just look at that. Oh my word. Try my sovereign chicken pie recipe and get back to me. Trust me, guys, it tasted so good. Even though it is still warm, I open it and this is what the inside looks like. Mamma mia. Look at that. Homemade is better than junk. You know that already. Look at the texture, very flaky. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye.